The SA node is known as the healthy heart's pacemaker. Action potentials generated from the SA node spread to other areas of the conduction system and trigger contraction before the other areas are able to generate action potentials at their own slower rate. As the action potentials move through the atria and reach the AV node, the atria contract, moving blood into the ventricles. Typically, the AV node is the only connection between the atria and the ventricles. As the wave of excitation passes the AV node, it proceeds to the AV bundle and bundle branches, the apex of the ventricular myocardium. The conduction myofibers then directly stimulate the cardiac cells in the ventricles to contract. During ventricular contraction, blood is squeezed out from the apex to the base and into the pulmonary trunk and aorta. The signal moves quickly from the SA node through the atria. It experiences a slight delay when it reaches the AV node, as it must pass into fibers with smaller diameters. The signal then quickly resumes along its path through the AV bundle and branches, apex, and base of the ventricles. Contraction begins. The sequence of depolarizations and repolarizations can be seen in a normal electrocardiogram, usually called an ECG. The electrocardiogram can also show problems with the conduction system. Look at this trace showing complete heart block. By comparing the QRS waves to the P waves, you can see that ventricular excitation is independent of atrial excitation. The pace of ventricular contraction is being set by the ventricle's slower natural rhythm, not by stimulation from the SA node and atria.